Welcome student, this is Professor Vechan Singh Suliya. This is first module of Human Resource Management. In this first module, we'll discuss about the first component of Human Resource Management, that is human. So, we'll discuss about whole about this human, one component of human resource management. So human is touchy in nature. टची इन नेचर, कुछ बोलो तो गुस्सा हो सकता है, थोड़ा थोड़ा क्रिटिकल होता है. ओके, ह्यूमन इज टची इन नेचर. ह्यूमन इज क्रिटिकल because behavior you cannot judge easily, so it is uneasy behavior, because behavior is the outcome of lot of actions, lot of reaction. So behavior is not a small thing, and behavior management is the role of human resource management, but behavior of human is a complex one. Actually human is stable in nature and also unstable in nature. Most of the time unstable, because mind which cannot stable at one point. इंसान का मन एक जगह पे स्थिर नहीं रहता है, इसका मतलब वो अनस्टेबल है. ह्यूमन इज अनस्टेबल इन नेचर. देयर आर मेनी गुड ह्यूमन आर देयर. ओके, आई एम नॉट पिन पॉइंटिंग दैट ह्यूमन इज अनस्टेबल इन नेचर. स्टेबल इज ऑल्सो देयर. स्टेबल इज ऑल्सो देयर. But human is also most important animal on earth. You can judge. Other than gorilla and chimpanzee, they can think. Every animal think, but human is best thinker in the world. So most important animal on the earth is human. Human made lot of things in this earth. Uncountable things human made. Human did lot of action on this earth. Uncountable. So human is one component of this human resource management, is having these all characteristics. There are human in the organization can work any physical maintenance work, or any other cutting work, or official work, or any other plywood work, and also facing the challenges in this. So most of the person facing challenges by doing a different work. So challenges is the one thing at workplace. We'll discuss in detail about these challenges at the workplace also. Okay. So human resource management have these three component: human, resource, and management. We'll discuss today about human. These are the all component of human: qualification, skill, attitude, perception, personality, capacity, and potential. If we will discuss about the potential, then this is qualification. Qualification, it not means only education. Make your mind understand it. Qualification is not only education, but also physical capability, behavioral potential, and attitude which required to the organization workplace. Okay, so these are the all four component which required to the organization in employee, because it is necessary. Only education cannot do anything. It means if you are a topper in MBA, it can do. I am not saying that it cannot do, but only topper or only percentage cannot do anything. Okay, इंसान को अकल होनी चाहिए. अकल अगर नहीं है तो फिर वो एजुकेशन कुछ काम का नहीं है. ओके, सो एजुकेशन इज रिक्वायर्ड, फिजिकल potential is required, physical power is also required, because for physical work physical power is required. Then behavior is the one critical point. अच्छा इंसान मिलना चाहिए. There should be good human at workplace. Everyone is thinking like that. Okay, so behavioral qualification is required for human resource management, and attitude is the most important factor. एटीट्यूड का दूसरा मतलब होता है अकल. आपने आज तक कितनी अकल ली है या आप में आज तक कितनी अकल आई है, इसका मतलब होता है एटीट्यूड. एटीट्यूड इज द सेटअप of the mind, is the combination of all incoming sanskar. Sanskar माने values, all incoming human values. Okay, it is the combination of all human values, that is attitude. So these are the all four component required in qualification, not only education. Okay, understand it. Then background of employee. If you need any employee at workplace, then you will think first, what is the background of that employee? Background is very, very important. You can say it is family background, you can say it is a friend background, you can say it is a locality, you can say it is the college also, institute also. Okay, from which institute you post graduated. Okay, from which institute you already passed out as a postgraduate. Okay, so background is important. Without background employee cannot express things, and without background human resource department will not think more. Okay, so background is one which is required. Then skill. There are two skill. One is hard skill and one is soft skill. Hard skill, it means you are our employee is doing or worker is doing any physical thing, it is hard skill. Means touching any machine or doing thing manually, it is hard skill. Manually in the sense touching to machine or touching to any instrument, and it is easy to learn. It is not more easy, it is also hard. It is not easy to learn, but as compared to soft skill, it is easy to learn. But with the help of practice, finishing will come in work. Without practice, finishing will not come. So most of the company is following the principle of one job to one employee. So one employee regularly can finish only one job up to 1 month. So finishing will come due to that one job work. Practice, practice, and practice. Okay, so this harder skill is depend upon practice. And this one, soft skill, this is very important one, required to employee, required to your student. कैसे बोलना है, कैसे चलना है, कैसे बैठना है, कैसे उठना है, how to talk, how to cooperate, how to communicate, how to convince, how to stand, how to walk, how to observe, and how to help, and how to dash everything you are doing every day in your life. So soft skill is also called life skill, because it is how to and how to live a life. The soft skill is that. Okay, so it is called life skill. Attitude, I already explained about this. It is about the, it is a state of mind at that time. आपका अभी का स्टेट ऑफ माइंड क्या है? वो क्या है? आपका एटीट्यूड है. मतलब आपको लगता है कि आप ये बात कर सकते हो, मतलब वो आपका स्टेट ऑफ माइंड है. यू कैन थिंक, यू कैन डू एनीथिंग, इट मीन्स दैट इज योर स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. एटीट्यूड इज द वास्ट वन in human resource management, vast one. Lot of researcher did PhD on this attitude. Attitude is not a small topic, it is very big. An attitude can do anything, anything. Okay? If you are positive attitude, then your outcome will become positive, and if you are negative attitude, your outcome will become negative. Okay. Because attitude is focusing on thinking style. Whatever your attitude have, your thinking style will reflect, your reacting style will reflect what attitude you have, which type of attitude you have. This thinking style, reacting style will reflect. Okay? So set of behavior trait, it is attitude. बहुत सारे ह्यूमन वैल्यूज एक साथ आना और उसका बंच बन जाना, इसका मतलब होता है एटीट्यूड. इट इज ए बंच ऑफ वैल्यूज कमिंग टुगेदर, मेकिंग one action, one behavior, it is attitude. So attitude is also one required. Perception, whatever already in your mind, whatever already in your mind, which already settled in your mind, it is perception. Perception is not a small. Okay, perception, it is you, what you store in your mind about environment, about human, about anything. It is perception. It means if you judged that, if you really thought that any person is very bad, then you will really think in future that person will bad. Even that person is not bad, but you will think, because your perception is like negative. Okay? Personality, it is also big one. Personality, It is the one state of mind in you, and it shows your all values. So personality, it is a one major thing. Okay. So personality is define a human and capacity, physical capacity and mental capacity. You already understand this physical capacity and mental capacity. Mental capacity you cannot measure. Whatever going on in your mind, you can judge. But whatever capacity your mind have, you cannot measure. Okay. Idea can generate through your mind. You cannot measure in the sense of value और इन द सेंस ऑफ मनी. कोई आइडिया आपके माइंड में आ रहा है, उस आइडिया का वैल्यू कितना होगा, ये कीमत में आप नहीं बोल सकते. कीमत कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उसका वैल्यू जो है वो अमूल्य होता है, उसका कीमत नहीं कर सकते मेंटल कैपेसिटी का. ओके. तो ये मेंटल कैपेसिटी एक है, ये ह्यूमन में होता है, और है पोटेंशियल. ह्यूमन पोटेंशियल. ओके. सो इट इज inner energy of human. It is inner energy of human which reside in mind. आपको पता है इंसान क्या क्या कर सकता है, इसका एक लिस्टिंग करना. इंसान क्या क्या कर सकता है, इसका एक लिस्टिंग करना, मतलब वो हो गया पोटेंशियल. क्या क्या कर सकता है मतलब ये नहीं बोल रहा हूं मैं कि आप सब कर सकते हो मतलब सब लिखो. ओके. ओके. आपकी औकात भी तो होनी चाहिए. औकात इन द सेंस, ओके, ये बैड वर्ड नहीं है, ये उर्दू वर्ड है. औकात का मतलब होता है पोटेंशियल. ओके. आपकी औकात भी होनी चाहिए. ओके. इसको बैड सेंस में यूज करते हैं, बट दिस इज पोटेंशियल, इनर एनर्जी ऑफ ह्यूमन. दिस इज इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ एज. ये एज के हिसाब से नहीं होता है. छोटा पर्सन भी बहुत बड़ा काम कर सकता है, और बहुत बड़े लोग भी बहुत छोटा काम नहीं कर सकते. तो ये इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ एज है. एज से इसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है. ओके. तो ये सब कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ह्यूमन में होने चाहिए. ओके. सो वी हैव डिस्कस टुडे अबाउट ह्यूमन. आउट ऑफ ऑल कंपोनेंट, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट. We'll discuss in next lecture about resource in detail. Okay. So with this, I am saying you student, thank you very much. In next lecture, we'll discuss about resource. What is resource? Okay. Thank you very much.